Hey guys, it's Sonic Coder here, and did you want to be one of those cool kids who just use cheats for everything? Cheat codes for games? Ever wanted to be one of those kids? Today I'm going to teach you. At least to the best of my abilities, that is. Because I'm not the best teacher. But anyways, I'll, I'll tell you what you need first. And can I get this thing up? Essentials. You need a high-tech computer. Actually, it's just a school Chromebook that limits everything, but something that can read SD cards. You'll need, of course, a Wii or Wii U, but I don't know how to do it for a Wii U. A TV, everything connected to where both work, and this thing. Uh, Hold on, let me do a trick that every YouTuber does. You need a SD card. For me, the amount doesn't matter, but this is the only one I have. Anyways, yeah, you'll need one of these. Oh yeah, and there's a bunch of other stuff you need to download. Frankly, I'm not searching through. I'm not searching through all my things just to find it again. So yeah, I do know that you will have to download this Gecko thing on your SD card. Like, I'll show you my setup. Okay, so it's plugged in. You go in here. So first, you need to download this Gecko app. It's not really an app, but yeah, you'll need to make sure it actually has like data from your Wii, just to make sure it has like the main apps you need. Well, anyways, oh yeah, you'll also need to get Homebrew on this. You can watch any video on the internet just to get the Homebrew. How to actually get apps on the Homebrew? Again, you have to download stuff with like. So basically, you have to download stuff, make a folder called apps. I repeat, apps, and then just like put it right here. See, I got my Gecko. I forgot what that was, and I also don't have. I have something I don't use. And then you need to make another thing called codes. This is where all your cheat codes will be. Now let me show you what website you need to go to. Okay, I'm back, and the website you need to go to, it is called geckocodes.org. So as you see here, it has a lot of games. This is only the games that start with S though. So for an example, I'm gonna do Sonic Riders Zero Gravity on the Wii. So first you find your game, and then see if you have an English, yeah, you have to look for the ones that have E in the name. Anything else, then it won't work. Don't question why. Okay, so once they have these, like once you click and find it, you have to press this GCT right here. And then what I do is I press add codes. Then I pick all the codes that I want. I don't know what that means. Okay. Oh wait. Oh wow. Yeah, sometimes they'll be like, has like where you can edit it. So you can change the value of something. So like this, I'm gonna do the max, which is 4, 3, uppercase C, and 8. Apply. And then you have to reselect it, and then boom. The way you do is then you press download GCT. It's very important. So you just go back to your files. You then want to go to wherever it's stored. I have to press recent. And boom, there's the app. No, not app. I'm dumb. Anyways, then what you do is you only select the first one, me dummy. Then you drag it over to codes. You can either move it or copy it. Doesn't matter. I can only copy it since it's a limited Chromebook. Anyways, and then once it's in, you eject it. You eject it. The computer part's done. What you do is then you put it back inside of your Wii. And then you find the game. So you can... I'll be right back. I'm gonna check these. Okay, I found it. And so make sure it'll actually work the way you want to do. Take out any other disc you have in here. I played Sonic Colors for the intro. So put your disc in here. The way you want to do is make sure it's actually turning on. And then grab your... Hold on. Wait. It says, why were there lights in here? Were there always lights and only a camera could see it? Oh well. Anyways, you want to turn on your Wii or Wii remote. Now this is very important. You do not go to here. You go to the Homebrew channel. And remember, you need to install Gecko. I don't know where the link is, but if you search Google for Gecko download, you will download that, and then again, go to your SD card and add an apps folder. Okay? Okay. So then you want to open Gecko, or load it, and then, just a warning, if you have the Wii remote that has Wii Motion Plus inside of it, what you need to do, you'll need to use a normal Wii remote, because that one only works for just the Gecko part. You press A, and it will set it up for you. It might take a bit, but oh look, the codes have been found and they're applying. It's okay if there's a green screen. Okay, the game should look up as it's normal. There's that good angle. Yeah, see, I don't have a capture card, so like you have to make deal with me using my phone. Anyways, yeah, just load your thing like normal. Again, for like any game, because it really doesn't matter. Anyways, so it's once you get into the stuff, what is when you actually realize stuff. So I'm gonna go to normal race. Now I'm gonna do not time attack. World Grand Prix. Okay. At this part, you don't need to pay attention, so I'm just gonna... Yeah, just so you know, some games will have more codes than others, and some will have less codes than others. That's perfectly fine. There might be some ways to make some, but I wouldn't know. Oh, see, I have super speed now. Oh, when I press up, that's nice. So yeah, as you can see, the codes are working. If you're having trouble with it, just put a comment below if you have problem with it, and I'll try to answer. Have a good rest of your... Sorry. Have a good rest of anything you're doing, and if you do end up doing this, I hope you succeed, because it was confusing at first, but then I was like, oh, I just need to do blah 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 blah, and then boom. I don't know how to add actual mods, especially with such a limited computer. Once I actually get my real computer working again, I will figure out how to actually mod. Okay? See you guys later. Comment, like, and subscribe. Try sharing. I would appreciate that. And just want to say I love